Alright guys, I'm going to show you how I made these chicken wings. They turned out really crispy and really good. I love to use parchment paper when I cook chicken, honestly. It makes the job a lot easier and clean up. And I pre-prep my seasonings with the lid off so it's easier to grab as I'm doing stuff like this. After washing the chicken, dry it off as much as possible with paper towels that can grip very good because some brands are not good in quality as others, so you don't want ripped tissue all over your chicken. So after I do that, I take the chicken, lay it on the tray. After it's laid out on the tray, I'll just sprinkle it and use honestly whatever seasonings you guys like to use. These are the ones that you see in the video that I love to use, preferably all the time, honestly. But if you guys have any other recommendations, other seasonings, I still need to try down those. Just let me know. Just let me know. Let a girl know. And parsley, not really for flavor, but honestly for color. Feeling fancy. Then I'll go ahead and rub all those flavors into the chicken and let that marinate. And I'll go ahead and use my cornstarch and baking powder to help make this chicken or the skin crispy. So the outer part, this is how you make that. This is what I like to use. Honestly, no measurements, but I use more flour than I do. Well, you can honestly use more cornstarch, flour, whatever. Just make them even in between. And I like to use baking powder too after I coat the wings like this, just because it makes it so much better than I guess I heard of baking soda. Just because it leaves an aftertaste if you use too much baking soda versus the powder. Anyways, getting back, this is what I did. I put it on 400 degrees, let that cook for like 25 minutes. I flipped it half in between, and then I let it cook on 400 for another like 10 minutes, I believe, and then I put it on broil for like another 8 minutes. And this, when I had flipped it over again, let it broil, oh my gosh, it turned out so good. Don't mind the blackness in the chicken bone. It's just because it's from a young chicken. Since their bones aren't completely calcified, it's the pigmentation from the bone marrow seeping out when it's in the cooking process, so it leads up to that dark color. Alright y'all, thank you for staying tuned in this video, and yeah, that is how I make my crispy chicken wings. Bye bye.